Astronomy students, and welcome to week 15 of your online course. This is officially your last full week of course material. Next week is a shortened week because the course ends on that Friday, so we don't have our normal Monday to Monday next week. So that's going to be a shortened week. Next week we'll talk about cosmology, but this week we're covering galaxies. So the Milky Way galaxy, our home galaxy, as well as other galaxies in the universe. So this week it's going to look very similar to your other weeks. I have a reading/study guide available for you on the Milky Way galaxy and galaxies. Note that this week I keep saying chapter 22/23 and chapter 23/24. That's because the 10th edition has the Milky Way galaxy chapter and galaxies chapters as 22/23, but the 9th edition and earlier have it as 23/24. Okay, so that's what I'm doing with the slash there. It's just depending on what edition you have. So just look for the chapters on the Milky Way galaxy and other galaxies and you'll be good to go. Your lecture notes are up there, 3 different lecture note videos. And there's a required video called Dark Matter Explained in 6 Minutes. It's a fun video. It's made by this artist that does a bunch of series of videos and sketchings and comic strips called PhD Comics, Pilot Higher and Deeper. So if you like his comic strip, go ahead and check that out online if you get a chance. But so it's a little bit noisy sounding in the background. That's because they tend to essentially just have a discussion with different postdocs at a cafeteria area. So they're just talking about dark matter, and then he sketches it out. So that's why you hear a bunch of background noise with that. In addition, this week there's a worksheet to do on dark matter. It's really going to step you through how astronomers went through the thought process of, hey, we would expect things to move like Kepler's laws, kind of like how we learned earlier in the semester, but then to find that there's more mass than we can visually see, hence the dark matter. So you'll work through that worksheet and it'll really step you through that discovery. Homework this week, there's 2 sections since there's 2 chapters. Homework for the Milky Way galaxy is in the textbook, and then there's a galaxy worksheet, which is your homework for the galaxy chapter, which includes an image, which is right there in the Blackboard page, as well as you can click on the image and download it if you need to, okay? And then, of course, you've got your weekly quiz. And if it's your week to present your current news blog, please go ahead and do that. I'm still catching up on my grading, so I do apologize for the delay in my feedback for your grading, but hopefully we'll get caught up this week. Hope you guys have a wonderful week, and please let me know if you have any questions.